Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a project share today. And this is a wall hang that I created that I'm sending to a dear friend of mine. And I started off with a piece of felt, and I kind of did this wall hanging in like a diamond shape. And I used a piece of felt, and then I used this crocheted trim from the edge of a crocheted tablecloth, and then I went around that with this beautiful gathered trim in an ivory color from Craft Supplies for You. And I've added a little hanger here on the back with another little trim from KS4U. And then this piece here is some homemade trim that I created out of some silk saris. I'd created this quite a while ago, and it looks like this. And it's a braided trim with made out of silk saris, and then I've sewn it on my sewing machine just to hold it together. But it makes a really nice trim, and it's super pretty, and it's very strong, and it makes nice flowers, and it's good for things like this, like hangers. It's good for going around the edging of a photo or something. So it's a fun and easy trim that you can make yourself out of just like really torn fabric would even work. So that's what I did there on the back. And this is a fairy themed wall hanging. So let me just put this down this way so you can see it. You can see the beautiful lace here at the top where I went all the way around in the diamond shape. And then underneath that, I've got another Craft Supplies for You lace here in the white. It's another gathered trim. And then on top of that, I've got this beautiful blue. It's tulle and a little tiny braided trim. You can see there. And that goes all the way around. Then I've added just some snippets, really. There's some lace here and here, sort of a Alison lace. You can see there. And over here, and then this is also a snippet from another larger KS4U trim, and I kind of made it dimensional there. You can probably see that. I like the dimension on wall hangings. And then this beautiful flower is also from Craft Supplies for You, but I know she doesn't have any more of those. These are kind of rare. I've been hoarding these for a while, so but it worked so beautifully on this wall hanging, I wanted to use it. And then here I've used a piece of lace, a little snippet from a larger lace, which is a panel lace from KS4U in this beautiful lavender color. And then I use these two, some leaves here from my stash. I went around the photo of the fairy, which I love, with some white Chinese braid from KS4U. And then you can see on the fairy there that I've added some stickles. I hope the camera will pick that up. And then here I've created a bow with some seam binding. And then here I've used I did a live class making some fairy wings, and this is one of the wings that I created on that class, and I just added it here, and it's very sturdy and dimensional. It's got the glossy accents on it, so it's really very sturdy, and you can see it's got some antenna there and a very tiny little doodad flower. So that's in the center of the bow, and again, it's in all the colors that you see in the image here. And then coming down to the bottom, I've used some little snippets here and here. And then this is a trim from KS4U. And I used 3 of those. And then I used 3 of the loopy flowers in the lavender color. And then underneath that, I've used this beautiful pink beaded trim, which is one of my favorite trims from Julie's store. And then underneath that is the gorgeous peacock lace that we call this peacock lace, which is in the KS4U store. And then this lace here is from my stash. It's a dangle trim. And then there is the other trim from KS4U that goes around the edges. So that is my wall hanging that I made. I really hope that you guys like it. It's going in the mail to a friend, so I hope she likes it too. And I just love making wall hangings with fairies, and it was fun because this is kind of a colorful one. My friend likes color and you know, fairies and fantasy type things, so I'm sure that she's going to enjoy this. I hope anyway. So let me know what you think, guys, and I will be back with another video soon. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.